Picture this. You're excited about your new DIY project. You head to your workbench ready to get started. But wait, what's this? Tools are scattered everywhere. Hammers, screwdrivers, pliers, it's a jumbled mess. Sound familiar? We've all been there. The frustration of a cluttered workbench, the endless search for the right tool, and the feeling of being overwhelmed before you even begin. It's enough to make you want to hang up your tool belt for good. But fear not, fellow DIY enthusiasts. There's a solution to this common dilemma. It's time to simplify your toolkit and streamline your projects with the ultimate all-in-one tool. This revolutionary concept is about to change the way you DIY. Imagine replacing a dozen tools with just one, freeing up valuable space and saving you precious time and money. Intrigued? Let's dive in. The beauty of the all-in-one tool lies in its simplicity and versatility. It's like having a Swiss Army knife for your DIY projects. Instead of juggling multiple tools, you have a single, compact powerhouse that can tackle a wide range of tasks. Imagine this. You need to cut through a piece of wood, then sand it down, and finally, drive in a few screws. With an all-in-one tool, you can accomplish all of this without switching between different tools. This saves you time and effort, making your DIY endeavors smoother and more enjoyable. But the benefits don't stop there. An all-in-one tool also saves you money. Instead of buying numerous individual tools, you invest in one comprehensive solution. This is particularly beneficial for beginner DIYers who may not want to invest in a full toolkit right away. So say goodbye to the chaos of a cluttered workbench and embrace the efficiency and convenience of an all-in-one tool. Your DIY projects and your wallet will thank you. Now that you understand the magic of the all-in-one tool, let's meet some of the top contenders in the DIY arena. Each of these tools offers a unique set of features and capabilities, catering to different DIY needs. The multi-tool. This versatile tool typically features a variety of attachments, including pliers, wire cutters, a knife blade, a saw, and screwdrivers. It's a compact powerhouse perfect for small to medium-sized tasks. The oscillating tool, known for its high-speed vibrations, the oscillating tool excels at cutting, sanding, scraping, and grinding. Its interchangeable blades allow you to tackle a wide range of materials and projects. The multi-bit screwdriver. This handy tool combines multiple screwdriver bits in a single compact design. It's a must-have for any project involving screws, saving you the hassle of searching for the right bit. Each of these all-in-one tools brings its own strengths to the table. The key is to choose the one that best aligns with your specific DIY needs and project requirements. Let's delve deeper into the world of the multi-tool, a true champion of versatility. This compact powerhouse can handle a surprising array of tasks, making it an indispensable companion for any DIYer. Cutting need to shorten a bolt or trim a piece of wire. The multi-tool's pliers with integrated wire cutters are up to the task. For cutting through thicker materials like wood or plastic, attach the saw blade and saw carefully along your marked line, tightening and loosening. Say goodbye to fumbling with multiple screwdrivers. The multi-tool typically includes a selection of flathead and Phillips head screwdrivers. Simply choose the appropriate size and tighten or loosen screws with ease. Stripping wires. Electrical work can be intimidating, but the multi-tool simplifies the process. Use the wire stripping notch to carefully remove insulation from wires, ensuring a secure connection. With its wide range of capabilities, the multi-tool is an essential ally for any DIYer. From basic repairs to more complex projects, this versatile tool has got you covered. Section 5. Sanding secrets from rough to refined. Whether you're smoothing out rough edges on a woodworking project or prepping a surface for painting, sanding is a crucial step in achieving a polished finish. And guess what? Your all-in-one tool can handle this task with ease. Choosing the right attachment. Many all-in-one tools, like oscillating tools, offer sanding attachments. These attachments come in various shapes and sizes, allowing you to sand flat surfaces, curves, and even tight corners. Sandpaper selection. Just like with a dedicated sander, using the right sandpaper grit is essential for optimal results. Start with a coarser grit for removing material and gradually move to finer grits for a smooth finish. Sanding technique: hold the tool firmly and move it in slow, even strokes along the surface. Avoid applying too much pressure, as this can create uneven sanding marks. Let the tool do the work for you. With the right attachment and technique, your all-in-one tool can transform rough surfaces into polished masterpieces, adding a professional touch to your DIY projects. Section 6. Screwdriving simplified, tightening up your projects. Screws are the unsung heroes of countless DIY projects, holding everything together securely. And when it comes to driving screws efficiently, the multi-bit screwdriver reigns supreme. The beauty of the multi-bit screwdriver lies in its variety of bits. From flathead and Phillips head to Torx and square drive, you'll have the right bit for any screw type. Many multi-bit screwdrivers feature magnetized bits, which are a game changer. The magnet holds the screw securely in place, preventing it from falling off and making it easier to start driving. Some advanced multi-bit screwdrivers offer adjustable torque settings. This feature allows you to control the amount of force applied to the screw, preventing over-tightening and stripping. With its convenience, versatility, and ease of use, the multi-bit screwdriver simplifies screwdriving tasks, making your DIY projects a breeze to assemble. Section 7. Common pitfalls and pro tips. Avoiding DIY disasters. Even with the best tools at your disposal, DIY projects can sometimes go awry, but fear not. Being aware of common mistakes and following these pro tips can help you avoid disasters and achieve professional-looking results. It's crucial to select the appropriate attachment for the task at hand. Using the wrong attachment can damage your material, your tool, or even lead to injury. Consult your all-in-one tools instruction manual for guidance on choosing the right attachment for each task. Whether you're cutting, sanding, or driving a screw, applying excessive pressure can lead to uneven results, damage to your material, and even tool burnout. Let the tool do the work. Apply gentle, even pressure and allow the tool's cutting or sanding action to do its job. DIY projects involve inherent risks. It's essential to prioritize safety by wearing appropriate protective gear, such as safety glasses and gloves. Never operate power tools while distracted or fatigued. Always unplug tools when not in use and store them safely out of reach of children. By being mindful of these common pitfalls and following these expert tips, you can minimize risks, avoid mistakes, and achieve outstanding results in your DIY endeavors. Section 8. Choosing your champion, finding the perfect fit. With so many impressive all-in-one tools available, selecting the perfect one for your needs might seem daunting. But fear not. By considering your DIY habits, project types, and budget, you can find the ideal tool to accompany you on your crafting journey. Are you a weekend warrior tackling small repairs and home improvement projects? Or are you a dedicated DIYer embarking on more ambitious endeavors? Identifying your typical project scope will guide your choice. All-in-one tools come in a range of price points from budget-friendly options to more feature-rich professional-grade models. Set a realistic budget and explore tools that align with your financial comfort zone. Before making a purchase, take the time to read reviews from other DIYers. Online retailers and DIY forums are excellent resources for gathering insights into the pros and cons of different tools. Remember, the best all-in-one tool is the one that best suits your individual needs and empowers you to tackle your DIY projects with confidence and enthusiasm. Section 9. The all-in-one advantage, a must-have for every DIYer. In the world of DIY, efficiency, versatility, and convenience are paramount, and that's precisely what the all-in-one tool brings to the table. It's not just a tool, it's a game changer, a problem solver, and a trusty sidekick for all your crafting adventures. Imagine this: a clutter-free workbench, a streamlined workflow, and the satisfaction of completing projects with ease. That's the all-in-one advantage. By consolidating multiple tools into one, you save space, time, and money, allowing you to focus on what truly matters, bringing your DIY visions to life. So, whether you're a seasoned DIY enthusiast or just starting your crafting journey, consider adding an all-in-one tool to your arsenal. It's an investment in efficiency, convenience, and the joy of creating something with your own two hands. Embrace the all-in-one revolution and unlock a world of DIY possibilities.